My name is Ashutosh Chaurasya. So when I got enrolled in my family business, after a few months, I realized that I have to scale up my business, and the MBA is one of the best study I should opt for to scale up my business. At that time, I realized that I should go for an MBA. Firstly, I just visited the websites. I got the good reviews. I read the good reviews of the MBAGuru. Then I just visited the center. The counselor was so interactive. They were so polite and humble and they just briefed me about the unique part of the MBAGuru, which is the adaptive module and the SWOT analysis. Then I decided that this is the unique. I should go for MBAGuru. When I just enrolled in the MBAGuru, I found the faculty was too interactive. I first feared that there may be the IITs and all, and being a BCom graduate, I have to cope up with a lot of things. But the faculties, the peers was so cooperative, was so humble, and the whole experience was so good that I realized that it's good. We are going through a good phase, and I just give my best, and there I am. As I said, that adaptive module helped me to my English was always a strength part of mine, and because of the teachers, I worked on my English part, and just I'm landed on the 99th percentile in English. I increased the marks of the quant, which was my weaker part. So it was all about a very exciting journey, learning journey, and that's all. As I said, quant was my biggest weakness, but throughout the journey prep, I improved on that part. After giving some mocks, I realized that I do have a weak quant, because of the teachers, because of their skills that they give me, I worked on my quant's part, and that's all. I increased my quant score in mocks, and that's all. So first and the most unique thing, that is the adaptive module, which is not given by any other coaching. In adaptive module, you will realize that what are the weakness areas of yours, what are the strength areas, so that you work on the strength part to increase your marks and hone your skill in that. And on the weaker part, you can take the basic classes. The doubt faculties of the MBAGuru is always open to you at any time. You can visit the center, you can ask the questions, and they are always with the humble gestures that whenever you ask them questions, they are ready to and happy to answer that, as it was more like a parents meeting my teachers. Obvious, I think all have some part of the life when people think that they should give up, and I am not the exception to that. As I said, the perseverance is my strength. I do have a back problem and I was not able to sit properly more than 15 minutes. So I thought that how I'll going to give the exam, how I will continue my studies. But going to the physiotherapy and all, asking my mentors, my parents said that Ashutosh, you can do it. And I worked. I just realized that lucky are those who has got will to work hard, and I give my best. And here I am. The SWOT part of the MBAGuru always help you to realize what are the strengths and the weakness. And the best thing about the MBAGuru is it will let you to decide how to work on your skill. Management exam is all about the smart work and the creativity. It's not about lot of hard work. So MBAGuru develops your minds in the way that you can develop your own strategy, your own strength, and the strategy to attempt the paper. So I think it's the best which you can get from any coaching.